Four classes we will discuss about general characters of protozoa. Today we will discuss about classification of protozoa. Classification of protozoa. First, what is protozoa? Protozoa means primitive animals or first formed animals is called as protozoa. So protozoa classification based on the locomotory organs. Locomotory organelles. Protozoa classification based on locomotory organs and shape. It is a Hyman classification. So protozoa, the phylum protozoa is divided into four classes. In this first one, four classes. First, flagellata or mastigopora or mastigophore. Then second one, rhizopoda or sarcodina. Then third one, coeliophora. And fourth one, sporozoa. So first one, flagellata or mastigophora. Second one, rhizopoda or sarcodina. Third one, coeliophora, and fourth one, sporozoa. These classification based on the locomotory organs and shape. It is a Hyman classification. In this first, flagellata or mastigophora. In this first, flagellata locomotory organelles or flagella. Locomotory organelles or flagella. It is a primitive animals. It contains mouth and anus. The next, nutrition. Nutrition is holozoic or holophytic. Next, body is covered by pellicle or cuticle. Body is covered by pellicle or cuticle. Next, the next, single type of nucleus. Is present. The next, some organelles. Some organs contains chloroplast. Some organelles contains chloroplast. It has two characters. That is plant and animals. Plant characters and animal characters are occurs in Mastigophora species. Example, euglena. Example, euglena. The next coming to next class, Rhizopoda or Sarcodina. Rhizopoda or Sarcodina. In this, first locomotory organelles are pseudopodium. Pseudopodia. Locomotory organelles are pseudopodium and single type of nucleus. Single type of nucleus is occurs and body is covered by plasma membrane. Body is covered by plasma membrane. Then next, nutrition by holozoic. It is a parasitic or free living animals. And and then next mouth and anus is absent. Mouth and anus is absent. The next going to next point, reproduction done by asexual and sexual reproduction. Reproduction done by asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction done by binary fusion or budding. Next to sexual reproduction done by conjugation. Okay. Example, amoeba. Then going to next phylum, next class, Coleophora. In this locomotory organs, first locomotory organs are cilia and double or two types of nucleus are present. Double or two types of nucleus are present. They are micronucleus and macronucleus present in only one species. For example, Paramecium. Paramecium contains two nucleus, micronucleus and macronucleus, and body is covered by pellicle. Or cuticle. And then reproduction done by sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Nutrition done by parasitic nutrition is occurs in Coleophora. The next, Sporozoa. It's a special charactered class, that is spores are produced. Spores are produced organisms. And single nucleus is present. And reproduction done by spores. spores. And then coming to flagella and rhizopoda together to form Sarcomastigophora. So both are together to form Sarcomastigophora. This is a classification of protozoa. So first to overall protozoa classification. Protozoa classification based on the locomotory organs and shape. It is a Hyman classification. In this, protozoa divided into 4 classes. First one flagellata or mastigophora, second one rhizopoda or sarcodina, and third one coleophora, fourth one sporozoa. In this first flagellata or mastigophora, in this locomotory organs or flagella, and primitive animals example is a euglena. Then next rhizopodas and or sarcodina. In this locomotory organs are pseudopodiums, and coleophora locomotory organs are cilia, and sarcodina special characters are spores are produced. This is a classification of protozoa. Thank you.